Okay, so sa class for today, we'll tackle measures of central tendency. No? So we have three basic central measures of central tendency. Okay? Those are the mean, or simply the average, okay? The mode, and the median. If we're talking about mean, okay, we're just simply, okay, we are asked to get the average. Okay? If median, okay, from the set of or series of data given, okay, you need to arrange from the lowest to the highest, then locate the central value. Okay, if the number of data is odd, if the number of data is even, okay, so there are two central values there. No, all you need to do is to get the average of the two central values. Okay, that's the median. Now for the mode, there's no formula. All you need to do is, okay, hahanapin nyo lang ano yung pinakamaraming data doon sa set of data na given. Okay? So those are the three basic measures of central tendency. Okay? So let's have one example for the mean or average. Okay, for example, okay, these are the given. Let us assume these are the scores of 10 students. Okay? So using your calculator, you just need to add all the data and divide this by the number of data. Since we assume this is students, so we need to divide this number of students, which is 10 no? Students. Okay? So using your calculator, okay, you add, I think the answer is 55 divided by 10 or 10 students. So the answer is 5.5. Okay? If given ang unit as points, okay, please put units also. Now, using our Excel, okay, already encoded the data here. Okay, you have two options. Okay, do it manually. This is still a manual method for me. No, you press auto sum. Okay, no need to put equal sign pala, no? O kailangan pa ba? Okay, hindi na kailangan. Okay, so press, okay, automatically nag-highlight siya doon sa data. Okay, kapag may sobra, pwede dapat kasama, just do it that manually, no? Then after that, press enter. So that's the summation of the data. Okay? Since the formula for the average, you need to divide it with number of data or students. Okay? In that case, okay, which is 10. No? So 55 divided by 10 will give us the average, which is 5.5. No? Now there is an easiest way, okay, easier way, which is to type the command average. Okay, there, no? Okay, average. You just click that command sa Excel, then highlight kung ano yung kukunin natin ng average. Okay? So, the answer is still 5.5. Okay? So, next, let's go back with our presentation. Okay, median tayo. Okay, it's not sensitive to extreme scores. Okay? Example, these are given. Okay? 65, 55, 89, 56. Okay. How many data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are, it's even, no? Even, no? Wait lang ha, may malabang mata natin ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, sir.
11 pala. Okay, so it's add. So obviously, meron ho tayong isang central value dyan, no? But the instruction said, kapag we are dealing with median, okay, we need to arrange first from the highest to the lowest. So since naka-disarrange siya, so ito na ho yung naka-arrange siya from the lowest to the highest. Okay? So after arranging from the lowest to the highest, ilolocate lang natin yung middle na value. Okay, paano ho ba? We can do this manually. Okay, mata-mata, okay? There are 11. Okay, anong central value ng 11? Divide by 2. That will give us, okay, 5.5, no? Ibig sabihin, nasa fifth, nasa gitna ng fifth at saka sixth na value. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 56, 55 I mean, here 55 at saka 56. So dalawa, wait lang. It's ano pala, no? Okay, correction pala. Nalito ako sa even. So 11 yung ating number ng ating data. Okay? So if we divide it by 2, okay, nasa Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung formula na yun, no? So this is my suggestion. Kapag add yung number of data, okay?
50.
Example in this case 11, no? Just
50.
add 1. So
Ay,
in short class, our 1 will be our constant there, no? As part of our formula. Again, if the number of data is odd, okay, our formula is n, okay, plus 1 divided by 2, okay? So let's apply that one, no? So number of data here is 11, okay, plus 1. 1 is our constant, okay? So that will give us 2, 12, I mean, okay? Divided by 2 will give us 6, okay, tama? So in short, nasa 6th place ho yung ating median. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, 56 ho ating median value. Again, okay, in dealing with median, if the series of data is odd, okay, so please use this formula. N plus 1 divided by 2. Okay? So let's apply. Again, there are 11 data here. 11 plus 1 will give us 12 divided by 2. That will give us 6. Okay? It does not mean 6 yung ating median. We're just instructionan tayo that nasa 6th place yung median na value. Okay? So again, 6 na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 56 so yung median natin ng value dito. Okay? Any question, ma'am, sir, kapag add? Okay, wala na ho? Okay. So median natin 56. Okay, next. Dahil ilang, ha? Okay, we'll use the Excel in solving the okay, please open your Excel. Okay, series of data given 65, 65, 55, 89, 56, 35, 14, 56, 55, 87, 45, 92. Okay? So, check lang natin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, tama ho, no? 65, 55, 89, 56, 35, 14, 56, 55, 87, 45, and 90, 92 pala. Okay? So, the instruction in solving the I will send also this in our GC. Okay, in solving our median, ang sabi is i-arrange muna natin from the lowest to the highest. Okay, I will copy-paste this okay, para makita natin yung difference. Okay, I will highlight this series of data. Okay, using your Excel. Highlight first, then click this portion, sort and filter. Okay, smallest to the largest. Okay. So automatically it's arranged, no? But again, when your comprehensive exam, ano ba tawag doon, is face to face, you need to do that manually. It's a such paper. Okay, so since we're using Excel, so automatically arrange siya kaagad. Then after nyan, bilang tayo, we'll apply the formula, no? So the answer is 6th place. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 56. Median is 56. Now, there is a command in Excel equals median. Okay, click that formula, highlight, kahit hindi siya naka-arrange from lowest to the highest, it will not matter, just press enter key. The answer is still 56. Okay? Nakuha ba, ma'am, sir? Using the Excel sa manual? I hope nakuha. All you need to do is familiarize the command sa Excel, no? Automatically, it will give you the answer. Okay, next. Now, what if it's even, no? Even yung number of data natin, 65, 55, 89, hanggang 45. So after you arrange yung lowest to the highest, okay, ito yung dalawang values. No? How to know kung ano itong values na ito. Okay, so I advise, okay, gagamit din tayo ng formula. Okay, so ito na lang ma'am, medyo mahirap kasi siya i-visualize ngayon. Okay, for the next na natin na tawag ito na file, nandun yung formula. Check ko lang talaga, baka hindi ko nakalimutan ko ba. Wait lang, nandoon pala sa ating sa ating GC. Nasa siya, nasa second central tendency dito ata, second. I hope nandito. Talaga ba?
Slide number 11, sir.
Nandoon ba?
Slide number 11.
Nasa lesson sir? Nakalimutan ko talaga, narampol na ako ba? Lesson 1 ba, sir?
Lesson 2, yung 56, yung 55 tsaka 56. Slide number 11, sir.
Ko ata nalagay. Sige, nalagay ito na lang. This will be our whiteboard. No? Okay, median. I think there's no question regarding the mean or the average. No? For median, if data is odd, okay, use n plus 1 okay, divided by 2 okay, formula, no? So, ano lang formula dito, class, ha? Then the answer here is the place, no? Not the value, but the place, no? For example, yung problem natin kanina, 6 ang lumabas dun sa ating formula, naka 6 place siya after you arrange from the lowest to the highest. Now, if the median is, okay, if data, talking of set the data, class, kayo na lang intindi, is even, okay, use, okay, anong formula ang gagamitin natin? Okay, use n, okay, bali, for example, 12 yung lalabas, no? So, n divided by 2, tama? That will be the first place na i-add natin. Tapos, plus, okay, mangyayari is, okay, n, what do you think is the next, okay, n plus
And divided by 2 plus 1, sir.
okay, very good. Yung gusto ko lang din kasi kayo mag-isip din kayo ng ng formula. Okay. So very good, no? Sino nagsalita? You get plus 5 for the first
Percival, sir.
Okay.
Congrats, Sir Percy.
Okay, plus 1. That will be the ano pa rin siya, no? Place, no? So, we're making a formula here. Okay. And divide by 2. So, yun yung answer natin. Okay, let's apply. Now, on this problem, nasarado ko. damay-damay nito class, o kain. Kaya kumakain kayo dyan, no? Okay, yan tayo. Median. Okay? This one. Okay? So, bilangin natin ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? N is equal to 10. Okay? Number of data. So, using the formula na ginawa natin, okay, with the help of Percival, okay? So, N, okay, divided by 2 will give us, okay? In this case, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 5. Okay? Nasa fifth place yung isa. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nasa fifth place, no? Then, apply again the formula. Okay, plus, okay? N divided by 2. Okay, we're talking about yung number of data, no, which is 10. Okay? Divide by natin sa 2. That will give us 5 plus 1 will give us 6, no? So, ika 6 na place after you arrange from the lowest to the highest. So, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 56. So after nun, our formula says here that you need to divide sa 2, okay, to get the median. Okay, so 56, 55 plus 50, 56 divided by 2 will give us a 55.5. Okay? I hope nasabtan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Using our Excel, okay, may interesado mo dala kayo ng Excel, no? Oh, no need na sa Excel. Kaya na sa manual?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kaya, ha? Pag nagbigay ako 100 data, kaya?
Ah,
100 set of data, 100 students, kaya dili.
Kaya,
Kaya-
sir, po.
yes, sir, kung group data.
Same process.
Group data. Five, 87, 89. Five, I'm checking, no? 5. So, again, arrange from the lowest to the highest. Copy-paste ko lang para mayroon tayong comparison. No? So, I will click this
Okay, Sam.
okay, sort. No? Sort this sa gilid. Okay? Smallest to the... Okay, so, na-arrange na siya kagad. So, our formula says na nasa ka-fifth at saka nasa 6th na place, no? Using the formula. No? So, 56 at saka 55. Tama ba? Okay. Parang ano lagi? Tama ba yung ating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kulang isa. 13, 35, 45, 55. Dalawang 55. Okay, 55. Okay? So after nito, I will copy-paste again. Tapos I will arrange from the smallest to the highest. Okay, so okay na. So nagka-fifth siya at saka 6, no? Somewhere nasa gitna nito. Okay. Since dalawa yung kanyang central value, we need to get the average. Okay. 55 plus 56 divided by 2 will give us 55.55 or 0.5 ba? 0.5, I mean. Okay, using the Excel, i-try natin siya. Okay, yung bali Excel natin, yung magte-take ng face-to-face comprehensive exam, ano na lang siguro? Tawag to, magte-take ng comprehensive exam na virtual, okay, you may check using the Excel. Pero yung mag face-to-face, you need to know how to solve manually. Yan. So click that, then highlight. Kahit hindi siya naka-arrange, no problem. Okay, as you can see, parehong 55.5. Okay? Using the Excel. Next. Okay, mode tayo. Does not involve any calculation or ordering of data. Okay? Use when you have categories, example, occupation. For example, sa mode natin ito, for example, okay, we can use the histogram to represent the mode, no? There, mode. Pwede mag two modes tayo. Example tayo diretso. Okay. The series of data. Okay. Ano yung mode? Wala pa pala ito.
No mode.
Skip ka at ako, class. Skip ako ng wala. Okay. So in short, okay, class, yung mode is yung madalas nag-a-appear sa set of data na more than one. Okay? Kapag puro isa-isa lang yung data, wala tayong mode. Okay? Sabihin natin no mode. So ano gamit ba ng mode? Example, nag-conduct kayo ng research, okay? Anong madalas na sinasakyan ng estudyante kay papuntang eskwelahan? Okay? You will make a nominal, ano ba tawag doon? The pronoun bang tawag sa English doon? For example, tricycle, okay? We have habal-habal, you have jeep, okay? So we will make a tally. Kapag saan doon yung mas marami, okay? That is our mode. Okay? Yung gamit ng mode. Okay? Example. Okay? So, mean tayo dito. Okay? Mean. 2, 9, 4, 13, 22, 16. Okay? Kelly, try. Average, ma'am, sir?
11, sir.
11 po. 11.
11.
11, sir.
Okay? So, did you get the same answer, 11? Okay? Very good. Kung ako 11.
Yes,
About
sir.
median? Median, ho?
11 pa rin, sir.
11 pa rin. Okay, very good. Nakuha ba ng lahat ng 11? Do I need to check sa Excel? No
Yes,
need.
sir.
Do I need to I will check sa Excel? Yes? Okay.
Yes, please.
No need or need pa?
Yes, sir.
Sige, for I don't have, gusto ko itong malaki. Ayan. Okay, so 2, 9, okay, 4, 13, 22, 16. Okay? So using the mean, okay, using the Excel, okay, average, answer is 11 daw. Average or mean, the same lang sila. Okay, 11. Very good, 11. Now, next. Using the Excel also median, naka-arrange siya kasi sa lowest to highest, so no need na, no? Median. Okay, click that command. Okay, 11 pa rin, very good. Okay. How about mode?
No mode, sir.
Okay, very good, no? Kapag isa-isa sila, okay, wala nag more than one, no? No mode siya. Okay, no mode. So, hanap tayo na merong mode dito. This one, okay? Mode. Shift F5. Okay? Sample tayo. 60, 64, 69, 73, 76, 122. Ma'am, sir, class, please check. Please try. Mean, average.
75.43, sir.
Okay, 75.43 daw. Okay. How about median, sir?
69.
Okay, 69.
Nine.
Okay. We'll check using the Excel. Okay, I hope yung iba nagtatry din. Doon natin ma-check kung natuto tayo hindi, ma'am, sir. I know it's basic, pero yung iba nakalimutan na ito ba? Okay, 60, 64, 64, 69, 73, 76, 122. Okay? Using the Excel, mean tayo. The average, okay, click that command. Ito pala. And highlight the given. Okay. Is this your answer, sir? 75.43?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. For the median, Okay, we'll use directly again the Excel. Okay, type the median command. Okay, manually, you need to arrange from the lowest to the highest, then apply the formula that I told you a while ago, no? 69, so very good, ma'am. Okay, how about the mode?
64.
64.
64. Kasi yung 64, yun ang pinakamarami, madalas na nag-appear sa set of data, no? Series of data. Na meron din formula ang Excel actually, okay? Equals, pero minsan binibigyan niya isa lang eh, okay? I advise manumano nyo na lang, no? For example, mode tayo dito, itong mode, then highlight, dapat 64 yung isasagot na Excel. So the answer is 64. Okay? I hope na
Okay,
sometime.
sir.
Okay. So I think we're done with the measures of central tendency. So I hope na recall na ng lahat kung paano mag-solve. Now this is the question. When you will use mean, median, saka mode? Kailan nyo gagamitin, class? Meron ba siyang specification na sa ganitong sitwasyon gagamitin mo median? Sa ganitong sitwasyon gagamitin ng mode or mean or average? Anybody? Do you have any idea? Wala? Ito ata hindi tinuro sa atin nung undergrad tayo, no? Hindi ko siya maalala tinuro sa undergrad. Kasi tinuro lang tayo mag-solve ng mean, median, saka mode. But, okay, I will ask you again, kailan natin gagamitin itong average, yung median, at saka mode? Anybody? Wala idea ho? Sirit? Wala, sirit na ho. Today is February 10. I'm giving you time to participate but to think kung kailan, in all times ba appropriate ba gamitin yung average? In all, yun yung mga question na dapat natin i-consider eh. No idea? Okay, no idea. Okay, Sirit. Bigay sana ako ng additional points eh. Okay. So this is the explanation. When? Okay? This table. Okay? If nag-conduct kayo ng study, nag-research, if the nature of your data, okay, is nominal, for example, no, name of school, okay, pangalan ng libro, okay, English, math, okay, ilan ang gumagamit ng ganitong author, okay, you will tally, okay, tama ba? Ilan yung school ilan sa mga estudyante dito ang nag-enroll sa ganitong school, you will tally. Okay? Mas appropriate to gamitin ang mode. Okay? Kapag nominal yung type ng variable natin or data natin na ginagamit. Okay? Now, if yung series of data natin, conduct ng study, ng research, no, involves ordinal, okay? Order, may order ba? May pagkalalagyan. For example, ano ba yung top na brand, okay? Na mabili, okay? Sa market. Okay, parang gano'n, no? Sino ba ang nauna doon sa anong kumpanyang nauna sa race or sinong naunang eskwelahan ang leading? Okay? So, you're referring with order. Okay? Mas appropriate daw ang median gamitin to describe data. Okay? If we're dealing with set of data, okay? May ratio ba, no? May interval siya, magkakalapit yung series of data. Okay? And not skewed means walang sudden uprise or downrise ng datum mo. Okay? It's appropriate to use average or median. Okay, I'm talking about yung kailan mo for example, may research kayo, no? Okay. Kapag yung series of data mo, it's appropriate to use the average. Pag magkakalapit, no, sa yung data natin. If yung set of data mo, okay, skewed, okay, biglang taas, biglang baba, okay, and so on and so forth, okay, it's not appropriate to use the average or the median. It's not appropriate to use the mean, or the average, no? Use the median. Okay? Mag-agree ba tayo dun lahat, ma'am, sir, na ganito dapat? Okay, the same also, okay, if we apply this in our real life situation ba? 'Di ba, we are, kumbaga, promotion, no? Today ilang klase, kaya may ano lang ako. Baka, wait lang talaga. Okay, so, sana nandyan pa kayo lahat? Kumain ng iba? Okay, so, again, we can apply that in the real life situation ba? I know some of you are applying for promotion, no? Especially tayo mga teachers, no? Tayo mga professors ba? Example, naririnig pa ako, Sir Ator, no? Sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Di ba inobserbahan tayo ng administration? Okay? Sa likod, okay, minsan natuturo tayo, managtrabaho tayo, may gano'n tayong performance rating ba? Nag-evaluate sa atin, nag-assist sa atin mga administrators. Okay? Now, there are administrators na bigay, for example, ang rating natin 1 to 10. Okay? May 10 administrators na nag-rate sa atin. Let's say, ang 9 administrators na bigay sa atin ng 8, 9, 8, 9, and 10, 8, 9. And one administrator bigay sa atin ng 2. Okay? Kumbaga, so this one is interval, magkakalapit yung ibang data, but there's one datum there skewed na biglang baba bigay sa inyo. You think it's appropriate to use the average para i-judge ka na ma-promote ka hindi? That's the application of statistics in real situation. You think it's fair to you?
No, sir.
No. Okay?
No, sir.
The
No,
question is, bakit yung isa biglang baba? Okay?
Yes, sir. Bias.
Okay, we're biased, no?
Hmm.
I don't know, it depends on our policy. Okay? Kung talaga nakalagay sa palisiyan natin na average, wala tayong magawa doon. Okay?
Hmm.
But kung pwede pag-usapan, tanggalin natin yung extreme scores, okay? Para lang talaga makita natin kung ano ba talagang totoong performance ng isang empleyado. Okay? So that's the application of when you will use the central measures of central tendency. Okay? Okay. So ito, okay na tayo dito. So I'm sure, okay, I will open yung pinaka-purpose ko ng ating lecture for today is for you to answer the offline quiz, no? So, let's go back with offline quiz, okay? You can answer number 1, okay? 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Dito tayo sa frequency table. Kaya pa, sir? Ma'am? Pugutom na tayo.
Kaya pa, sir.
Kaya pa?
Okay pa.
So, sana na-meet ko yung goal ko ngayon na you can able to answer these items. I hope naman na ganun.
Sir, question, sir.
Yes,
Sa
sir.
slide number 17 po sa PowerPoint, ito pong formula, mean formula,
Okay lang, sir. Ha?
na-mention na ni sir?
O, anong sir? Anong
Tapos na, Sir Ator. Tapos na po yung sa me.
Ay, okay.
okay na?
Kaning formula niya, wala mo ko nakita ganina.
Ay, yung mismong presentation, wala pa po. Pero, I think, naman.
Ako nga file para ma-open ko. Anong file?
Sa
Saan dito,
tong
sir?
lesson 2, sir.
Lesson 2.
Oo. Para ma-review lang, sir. Thank you.
Okay, number 17 daw. Slide number 17. Okay, itong mean formula, actually, na-mention na ito kanina, no, that, okay, for example, you need to add the data, okay, divided by the number of data.
Okay.
Mabuti na lang, kaya mo ako, sir. Okay, very good, no? May nag-ano sa akin. Because you are required to familiarize the symbol. If we're dealing with, okay, we're dealing with the mean or the average, okay, X bar, kapag sample, okay? Again, Anyway, babalikan din natin sa final term. Okay? I will reiterate again. Okay? Basta X bar, okay, is average, okay, sample. If population siya, okay, is the same also, no? As you can see, pareho lang siya. Kaya lang, kapag population average siya, we'll use the Greek alphabet mu. Okay? mu. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, okay na? Okay na, sir, no? Ano lang, sir, symbols lang talaga to, sir, na kalimutan ko lang talaga siya i-include para sa final term. Okay na? So, we'll go now with the frequency table. Okay? Frequency table tayo. Now, frequency table, madalas na nalilito estudyante ba? Okay. So, for example, you have, most of you are teachers, AED. Meron kayong 2, 4, 6, 8 estudyante. G, H. Okay? Nag-quiz kayo sa quiz number 1. Okay? Out of 30, isang estudyante nag-study 30. Isang estudyante 30. Perfect. May isang estudyante din nag-study 12. Okay? Wala yung nag-study ng isa, 6 lang. Tapos, kay 15, kay 15, 15, ito nga, tapos 20. So these are the scores of your students. Okay? Example lang, may 8 lang kayo estudyante. Okay. Let's apply the frequency table. Okay. Ilan nakakuha ng 30, ilan nakakuha ng 20, ilan nakakuha ng ano masunod, 15, saka ilan nakakuha ng 6 scores, no? Or bali ito yung scores natin. We will tally. We all know that there are 8 students, no? So using the tally, we're using the stick, no? 1, 2. Stick tayo, then sticks. Then isa lang yung nakuha ng 20. 1 stick. Tapos, ay, parang nahilo naman na class. Makaon na to class. Okay, 15 tayo. Okay, 3. Then, may nakuha ang isang estudyante na 6. Okay? So,
12
total,
ba, sir? May
okay, 12 pa.
12.
12 ba?
Tapos, 6. Sa isa lang sila nakuha. Okay? Check natin yan because I told you there are 8 students. Okay? The total frequency. Okay? Later na. Okay? Dito tayo mag-frequency. No? Ang frequency will be 2. Okay? 2 sticks. Okay? 1 stick. 3 sticks. 1 stick. 1 stick. So, dapat 8, no? So, I will press the auto sum or add. So, tama, 8. 8 students. Okay? Iwan ko lang na maayos na table. Okay? So, frequency table ang tawag dito. Pag nilagyan ko pa siya ng isa pa, cumulative frequency, cumulative. Sir, yung major in math dito, later na tayo kasi dalawa kasi ito group data at group data eh. Later na tayo ng isa. So, this will be group data. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ito na. Ano ba yun? So, cumulative frequency table. Okay. Ang ating intindihin lang palagi is kapag cumulative, okay, i-relate natin sa accumulation ng word. No? So, accumulation ng frequency. Okay. 2. Okay. Sa second natin na row, i-add natin yung first na 2 na frequency. That will give us 3. Okay? Then sa third natin na column, the first 3 na frequency i-add natin. So that will give us 6, no? Nakuha, ma'am, sir? Then next, okay, ang gagawin natin, i-add natin na first 7. First, not 7. Okay, itong first 4 na rows, okay? Itong sa frequency. So 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 will give us 7. Okay? And last, always talaga siya mag-equal sa total frequency, which is in this case 8. Okay? That is cumulative frequency. Okay, nakuha, ma'am? Again, how to get to? Okay, so first row, 2. Okay, second row natin, i-add natin ang first
2
2.
plus 1.
Okay, 2 plus 1, that's correct. And next natin to get 6, 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6. Next to get 7, 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 will be 7. Yung last natin, dapat equal talaga palagi dito sa total F, okay, which is 8. Okay. Check natin, we add all of this will give us 8. Center ko lang. Now, this is called cumulative frequency table. Okay? Now, next. Kapag we're dealing with proportion, okay, that is called relative frequency. Okay? Kasi natin relative frequency in relation to the total. Okay? So, relative frequency, tingin tayo sa frequency. Okay? So, nangyayari is that, okay, 2 in relation to total divided by 8. Okay? Lagay lang tayo ng formula. I will put, ano na siya, automatic na siya. Okay? Equal, dito equal, tapos, this cell, 2, divide natin sa total na 8. No? Alam. Kapag ganito, format cell, tapos, general. Okay, so ito yung ating answer for the relative frequency for the first row. Okay? The second row, okay, tingin dito sa frequency dito, which is 1. Okay, ikaw tayo ng formula 1 divided by 8. Okay? Next. Okay, 3 divided sa 8. Okay? Next, 1 divided sa 8. Next, 1 divided sa 8. Again, how to get this one, okay, just need to ilagay lang natin, divide lang natin yung frequency dun sa total, kada isa. Now, ilan dapat ang total nito kapag tinotal natin? Do you have any idea?
1.
Okay, very good, 1. Okay? Auto-sum tayo, diretso. But if you want isa-isahin yan, it's up to you. Okay? As you can see, answer niya, kapag inad natin lahat, must be equal, always equal to 1. Okay? Now, may isa pa, it's called the relative, shortcut to na rel, no? Relative cumulative frequency. Okay? So may idea na kayo paano ito, no? Gamitin natin ang cumulative frequency in relation to the total. Okay? So, cumulative frequency in relation to total. So, 2, divide natin sa 8. We've got to put equal sign, no? Yan. Okay. Then 3, tingin tayo sa relative frequency class, no? Dito. Then divide natin sa 8. Then 6, divide natin sa 8. And 7, i-divide natin sa 8. Then next, 8 divided by 8. So yung last ng relative cumulative frequency must be equal to 1.0 or 1. Okay, so ito na yung ating relative cumulative frequency table. Okay. Nakuha, ma'am, sir? Now, ito yung question ngayon. Kung tatabunan ko ba ito, okay, I will hide this. Okay? Tabunan ko. Makabalik pa kayo dito? That's the question, eh. Yes, no? There's a way.
Yes.
Yes. Okay? Yung math din talaga mag-yes talaga. How about mga hindi major ng math? Okay? Yes,
Yes,
talaga.
sir.
It's because ito, galing talaga siya dito. Okay? Ito kasi problema sa ating sa bringong quiz nyo. Ito lang binigay ko, ang first at saka second na column, you solve for the mean, median, tsaka mode. Wala ko kasi problema kapag binigay ko ito as raw data eh. You can solve easily the mean, median, tsaka mode. But the problem in your bring home quiz, ito lang binigay ko. Okay, open natin. Na-open na kanina yun, di ba? Open ko na naman.
Naka-PDF yata siya, sir.
Okay, so we're done with number 1 to 11, 1 to 10. I hope ma-perfect nyo ito, class, no? Please answer on your own, no? Okay, dito. Okay. Score, frequency. Kaya? Can you solve?
Kaya, sir.
Yes, yes.
Ang math ng
Basagtan.
How about the mga math na ano? Kaya, dili.
Dili,
Because
sir.
you're asked for the mode.
Numbers are dancing, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Numbers are dancing yun.
Okay. So here, walang problema sa mode. Tama ba? Yan. Ito na yung papasok na dili ko ganahan math, sir. Dili ko gana. Yan. Kay ipapayukan ko yung utak. O, yung pag-isip na ba, talaga ipa-analyze talaga kayo ba? What if given itong ano lang, okay? Kapag ito lang dalawa, kaya hindi. Ito lang yung dalawa. I will tabunan natin. Okay, so ito lang dalawa yung given. Okay, similar dun sa inopen natin na quiz. Wala din siya, no? Asa mo ko nag-open, no? Open na sad ko. Ay na lang. Hindi mo tayo techie masyado, class. Okay, ito yun, no? Okay, number 10, no? Score at saka frequency lang yung given. So, iba, numbers are dancing daw. Okay. Balik tayo dito sa Excel. Kapag given ito, class, walang problema sa mean, median, and mode, no? Tama ba? Can we solve for the mean, median, saka mode?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
let's solve. First, for the mean muna tayo. Okay, madali lang yung average, no? So, kindly add all, then divide it by 8 students. Okay, what's the answer, please?
143.
Okay, divide natin sa 8 pa yan, ma'am, no? Kaya, average man tayo. 143, that's the summation, no? Then divide by 8.
17 point, ano sir, 87.
17.875.
875.
Can we immediately compare the your answer sa Excel? May mali tayo. Median. Mean. Median pala na ano ko. Nalilito na ako. Walang mean eh. Average sa Excel eh. Okay, so average, no? Okay, very good, no? Answer natin Excel. Tama. Okay, manual nyo. Okay. Very good. Okay, next. Median tayo, ma'am, sir.
15.
Kasi nakita natin kanina 15, no? So, Excel. Median. Okay. Okay, using the manual method, okay, kita lang natin dito. Okay, we'll paste here. Tapos arrange natin for the lowest to highest. Tapos even siya. So nasa ano siya, no, sa 5th at saka 6, tama ba? So 15 plus 15 divide by 2 will give us 15 also, no? Very good. Okay, next. How about mode?
15 pa
15,
rin.
sir.
Okay, 15 pa rin. Okay, that's a manual, no? Using the Excel, okay, equals the mode. Mode, tapos highlight natin. Dapat 15. So, very good. Okay, correct. Okay. Now, we all know answer ganito. Okay, median, mode, mean. Ina-ask ka lang ulit, okay, using this. Tabunan ko ito, no? Paano mo makuha ang 15 na median, mode, mean? Okay, ito 17.87 using only this 2 columns.
You're gonna multiply each scores by its corresponding frequency.
Okay, let's do that, no, sir. Is that Sir Percival?
Sir Cyrus po.
Sir Cyrus. Okay, sir, 30
Times 2, we have 60.
60. Tapos, I think...
And 40 then. Yeah, we have 20. Next.
Okay. Turuan ko na lang kayo, if you want to copy the formula, okay, naka-create na kasi si Sir Cyrus dito ng formula dito. All you need to do is, okay, hintayin na mag-change ang cursor ng ganito, no? Then you drag that down, okay? Hanggang dito lang, 4, no? 4 ba o 5? 5, okay? So automatically, that will copy the formula. So 2 times 1 will give you 20, 15 times 3 will give 45, 12 times 1 will give you 12, and so on and so forth. Okay, so after nyan, sir, anong gagawin natin, sir?
We're gonna add all the results after multiplying the scores by its corresponding frequency.
Okay, so according to Sir Cyrus, you add all the
The
product. Okay,
the product of the scores and the frequency.
so after that, sir,
After that, we're gonna multiply them. We're gonna divide the results by the total number of frequency we have.
okay, which is 8, sir, no?
Yes po.
Okay. So the answer is the same, 17.875. Okay, nakuha, class? So marunong kayo mag-answer ng ating binong quiz, no?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Class, actually, ganito yung comprehensive exam ko eh. May ganito ako na portion. Kaya lang, problema, nakalimutan na after 2 years, after 1 year. Kasi after 2 years pa may iba comprehensive exam. Okay, so we're done. There's no shortcut sa Excel kapag given itong table. Kailangan nyo talaga i-analyze mano-mano. Okay? Next, average or mean. Madali na ako eh. Gutom na ko, ma'am, sir. Krog-krog na kong tiyan ba? Okay, next. Next is the median tayo. What do you think is how to answer median using only these 2 columns? Anybody, class? Median.
You're gonna get the cumulative frequency.
Cumulative frequency tayo. Okay. After cumulative frequency.
After that, sir, you're gonna divide the total frequency by 2. So we're gonna get 4.
Wait,
After
we add this all.
no, sir. After getting the cumulative frequency, we're gonna divide the total frequency by 2. So that is 8 over 2. So we have 4. After which, the 4 na magiging result natin, sir, we're gonna compare that to cumulative frequency. Since we don't have 4, because the results are 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna use 6 because 6 comprises the cumulative frequency of 4, 5, 6. So, pasok sa kanya yung as result na 4.
Okay,
And then,
so naiintindihan namin yung ano, sir. Ganito, class. Okay. The problem with our table is arranged from the highest to the lowest. Actually, wala lang ng problema, lowest to the highest eh. Itong inamin ni sir, no? We all know ang number of students, we always base on a number of data in the median. Okay? Always talaga siya sa number of data. So we're talking about frequency. So alam natin, a number of data is 8. It's even. Pag hinati natin yung 8, it's 4. Okay? So nandoon banda yung ating median. Saka i-4 na data. Remember, this is arranged from the highest to the lowest. Kung baliktarin natin from here, is lowest then to highest. Bilang tayo ng 4. Tama ba? So we need to know the 4 and the 5th. Okay? Tama? 4th and 5th. Because that's the formula. Okay? Pakicorrect lang ako, 4 tsaka 5th ba? Okay? 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5. Okay? 4 tsaka 5. 4 tsaka 5th na. Okay? Isa-isayin natin, no? May isang 6. Okay? We need to understand the isang 6. 6. Isang 12. Okay? Second na ha. Then 15. Third. Tatlo man. Okay. Fourth, 15. Ka-fifth, 15. So, ibig sabihin, nandito yung ating median. Tama? Which is what? 3 or 15? That's a question. Is it 3 or 15?
15.
Okay.
15.
15, sir.
Kasi answer ng estudyante madalas 3. Okay? Walang sense ang 3. Okay, 3 is frequency. Tingin pa rin tayo sa gilid. 15. That is why our answer should be, kasi i-answera naman natin kanina, 15. Okay? So the answer is 15. So analyze lang talaga. Tama ba, sir? Cyrus, no? Analyze lang talaga, sir, no?
Yes, sir. Mali pala yung ginamit ko kanina, sir, kay sir and group. Sa group data pala yun na you're gonna use cumulative frequency. Sorry.
So, you need to
Sir.
analyze. Okay? Yes, sir.
Halimbawa, may solusyon ko na inato, like, let's say, ang frequency ibungkag ko, halimbawa, ang frequency is 2. Instead of 1 row, gawin kong 2 rows para clear sa akin yung median. Can I have it as my solution, sir?
You mean to say, ano sir, bali,
I-rearrange ko siya para magiging ang frequency na 3 lines ko para klaro ang
so balik tayo
frequency.
dito sir. Ganito magiging itsura natin ng table natin sir.
Ibungkag ko, sir. Oo. Sir.
Frequency, sige, baliktad man ako sir.
Oo.
Nag-ano siya sir. Tama ba?
As another option or another solution.
Actually, ganun talaga. Kaya lang ang aking suggestion, let's do that mentally.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Parang ganun din yung answer natin kanina eh. We need to visualize ba kung nasaan yung ika-fifth at ika-fourth at ika-fifth na place. Okay? Which is yung 15 pa rin siya, no? Okay? So, kapag tinabunan ko ba ito, class, ito lang yung given. Okay, for example, sige, napahirapan mo talaga kami, sir. Hindi naman, class, ha? For example, ito, class, cumulative frequency yung given. Can you still answer for the... Ay, di pa pala tapos, no? Ang mode natin, okay, automatically, ang mode natin kapag given ito, it's yung pinakamarami, no?
15.
Okay, 15. Okay, pinakamarami, frequency, 15. The answer is not 3, no? 15. Okay. Class, kapag ganito ba, kasi isa ito sa bring home quiz nyo, tinabunan ko itong iba, ang given lang is itong dalawa na column. Can you still answer for 17.875, then 15, using only the 2 columns? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I hope so. Okay. Ang gawin lang natin, class, paano ba makabalik dito pag dito may hirapan, no? Dito. So, marunong na tayo magbalik dito. Actually, meron pa isang way para, pero ito na lang ituturo ko paano makabalik dito. So, gagawin natin, if ito lang given, dapat ang makuha natin is itong, para makabalik tayo dito sa F, no? Kasi yan ang na-solve natin using this one, no? Okay, next. How to, okay, ang 2, walang problema. Kopyahin lang natin itong first na row, 2. How to get 1? Makabalik sa 1. Anybody? How to get 1?
Minus 2, sir.
Okay, very good. 3 minus 1. Next, how to get 3?
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1.
6 minus 3.
6.
I think it's may senso ang 6 minus 3. Tama ba? Class, no? May mas senso ang 6 minus 3. Okay? So, 6 minus 3 will give us 3. Next, how to get 1?
7 minus 6.
Okay, very good. And how to get 1?
8 minus
8 minus 7.
Wala na tayong problema how to solve this one. Kasi na-explain naman natin using this one. So, I'm referring to, open again. Alis 8 na. Okay, I'm referring with this one, ma'am, sir. Ito dito, frequency, okay, na-explain ko na ito. Ito pala yung problema natin, relative frequency. Okay. Relative frequency, ang given, ito palang given, relative frequency. Yan. Okay. Ayan lang, dalawa. Kaya? To get 17.875? Kaya, ma'am, sir, no? Ay.
Multiply.
Kakayanin.
Try.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
yes.
multiply. Okay.
Multiply.
Multiply. Okay. And 30. 7.5. Okay. And I will drag this one. I will copy the formula. Okay. Change lang yung cursor na ganito, no? Yung solid na cross. Okay. So, after nyan, anong gagawin natin?
Plus.
Simply add. Okay? Very good. Add lang natin. And that is the average. Okay? Next, how to get 15? May idea ba tayo paano kuha ng 15?
Yes, sir. The higher relative frequency. No. No, mode pala yun.
Sa mode yun. Tama yun sa mode natin. 0.375 yung pinaka-highest pa relative frequency. Okay? Wala tayong problema. Okay, about median?
15 pa rin siya eh.
Okay, ganito class ha. We all know, okay, treat this as frequency. Okay, 1.0. The half of what 1.0 is ilan? 0.5, no? So nasa between siya ng 0.5 tsaka 0.6. Okay? So nasaan ba ang 0.5 tsaka 0.6 dito? Tama ba? If we add this 2, that will give us, add natin, point, 0.25, tama? If we add 0.25 sa 0.375, nandoon ba ang 0.5 at 0.6? Yes? Yes. So therefore, 15 pa rin yung ating median. So again, in solving for the median using the relative frequency, just treat this as frequency 1.0. So half of 1.0 is 0.5. Remember our formula, we add plus 1. In this case, 0.1. Kaya decimal man gud siya. Okay, so ang mangyayari is 0.5 at saka 0.6, no? Yung middle na two values niya ba? Okay, so add dito 0.25. Okay, add natin ito, that will give us 0.6, no? 0.6 ba? Maliit tayo doon. Okay, so I think that's correct, no? Point ano na siya? 0.7 pala. Nandito siya, nabilong siya dito. Now, if you're not contented with that solution, you go back with this one. Okay. Paano ba ito makabalik dito? It's a question, no? How to return. Okay, so 2, 3, 6, 8 using this one. Paano mag-pass? Just need to multiply
8.
okay, sa 8. Okay, let's check, no? Okay, this one, okay, multiply natin sa 8. Okay, babalik ba siya sa 2? Correct. Okay? Recopy the formula. Copyahin na natin formula, no? We'll drag that, okay, baba. Okay. Very good. That will return immediately sa frequency table. Frequency na column. Not sa cumulative frequency. Okay? Magic. So, hindi na tayo nakuha, ma'am, sir, no? So, ba nakuha na yung frequency, A21311, immediately just apply kung anong yung ating i-discuss kanina. Okay? Wag niyo nang ibalik sa cumulative frequency kasi binigay na sa inyo F eh. Okay, yung frequency. Kasi pag binalik niyo sa cumulative frequency, babalik pa rin kayo sa frequency na na column. So again, multiplying the relative frequency by the total frequency will give us the frequency. Okay? I think we're done. Okay? I will stop the recording. Okay, ma'am sir, wala nang question. So ma-answer na natin yung ating